Hey guys, thought I'd give an update on the boat project. Um, got the boat. I'm getting ready to paint it. I got the trailer all taken care of. Let me flip this thing around and show you what's been going on. All right, so I got the boat. Basically, I got to sand it down a little bit, wipe it down. I've been doing some Bondo spotting. I got to do some more, but I think I may just prime it first and then really see where the imperfections are, and from there I'll Bondo as needed, and then I can prime it again. I've got the boat basically suspended on the front hook and the back tie downs. I've got a couple of safety straps. I've beefed up my frame here. Let me back up a little bit and show you that kind of overall view. So I've added some structural beefiness to it, a little extra support, and so now I've got the bottom clear. I've just got a couple of these straps. They're actually pretty loose on here, and it's just a kind of a safety thing. So I'm laying underneath it, and one of those connection points goes, then I've at least got some kind of backup plan. I'm gonna roll around on the creeper and roll, prime, and paint. Gonna use the Total Boat topside paint, which is, not, you can't leave this boat in the water for more than a couple of days with the topside paint on the bottom side. So that's fine. I don't have a dock or a marina or anything. I'm just going to keep it on this trailer. But the trailer is in good shape now. We got a new winch. We got a paint job all around. I grinded it off, all the loose paint, with a wire brush and sandpaper and palm sander, all kinds of things. I flipped it over and gave it a couple of real good coats of Rust-Oleum primer on the bottom side, flipped it over, got the top side, all the inside, everywhere I could get to. I used about, I think, 6 cans of primer, and then I used the Rust-Oleum gloss black hammered style spray paint, and used about 6 cans of that as well. Cut new boards for my bunks, and then I carpeted them with some marine grade carpet. Countersunk all the carriage bolts so they won't be an issue. Put all new rollers, new lights and wiring. I kind of integrated the way that this was kind of originally. The lights were about here, and I put extensions on there, and I put a PVC pipe around it so I can make my boat guide, and also a light mount for it. Heat shrink wrap on all the wires into there, grounded. Put all my wiring in a conduit sheath, put straps on it. So I'm pretty stoked with the way that this trailer turned out. Yeah, so that's where we're at. Haven't done anything with the motor really, other than just a little bit of research. And turns out this is a 72 45 horsepower Chrysler, and it spins free. I know that I need to change out the impeller and then all of the fuel and water lines, and then I'm going to get all new control cables and wiring. I was able to pull a pull string through the chase up to where the console is, and also up to where the front lights are. I was pretty concerned about the wire not being able to be pulled through there, and then what would I do, but it was actually pretty easy. I'm in the process of prepping. I'm gonna start my testing on the lid. The bottom side of the lid is pretty rough. It's got some cracks and stuff. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit of Bondo on this, and then I think I'm gonna Bondo any of the dips and maybe big cracks. But I think I'm gonna just prime it and see what this gel coat paint does to this. After I sand it down real good and get it bondoed a little bit, I'll wipe it down with a 50-50 isopropyl alcohol and water mix to get all the dust off it, and then I can go from there. So, yep. I'm in also the process of researching exactly what I want to put on this console. I'm going to get a new steering wheel, steering cable. I've asked a couple of folks in a couple of McKee craft groups that I'm in on Facebook, their suggestions, and I think I'm going to probably end up putting a tack and a GPS combo, kind of fish finder, speedometer, mounted on the console there. So anyways, that's where we're at so far. I'll keep you posted.